So you need to decide that you are ready or not. You have only 5 to 6 months. Now it's July month. You think where to do, what to do, how to start. You want to do so many things, but you think that you don't know how to start, where to start, what to do. Hi everyone, this is me Sweta, and you're watching Sweta's English Lifestyle. 2 years back, I was like you, and I didn't know what to do, how to start journey, how to start new life, how to improve. Didn't know anything, to be honest. Now I can see clarity in me. Now I see that I can communicate, I can help, I can talk to anyone, I can communicate better, I can be socialized. But earlier I was not. I was unable to communicate, I was unable to meet with people, I was unable to be socialized, and I didn't know what to do. I only got to know in my college time that English is important and we need to explore. I don't know how did I realize that I need to work on my communication skills and personality, exploring things during college days. We realize that. I think many students and many people, everybody can understand me what I'm saying here. But we don't know how to start, where to start, and when to start. Some people start late, some people start early because they get clarity and they realize soon. So in my case, if I share, then I realized in my college time, and it was not that late. Yes, you heard it right, it was not that late, because I have experienced, or I have many experiences about people, that they are homemakers, they are doing job, they are doing so many things, but they are not realizing for so many things. They didn't realize so many things, and later they realize. So I know about that, and you also know there are many people who watch me or who follow me. They ask themselves, what am I doing, and how will I do like Sweta? And you also think, and you may think about me, that how she's doing. If I share with you, so let's start this video and let's talk about it. Today I'm thinking about this, so I want to share. Now, here one thing is important, that is mindset. My mindset was clear. I didn't know about communication skills, English, or I didn't know about personality or doing something in life, means no clarification, nothing like that for life or career. Or we have so many doubts. I had doubts, but mindset I had, yeah, mindset was clear, that what I wanted to do something. I was saying again and again, I want to do something. Now I'm in college, first year, so I need to do something. I need to work for my English. I need to improve my personality. I need to change my life and even mindset. That time I started thinking and I started working. I need to speak a lot. I don't have clarification nowadays. So you are stuck because you are only thinking. If you are a homemaker, or if you are a professional person and you are thinking that your skills are not good, you are not able to communicate, and you don't know how to start, where to start, then what I can say, you can relate with my story, you can observe my story, you can listen carefully what I am saying here. I was also the same like you. I was also like you. Don't think that you are alone. I was also like that. But now I'm changing, right? I'm trying to change. I'm trying to do something good. Because ultimately, it is important. We have to do something. If you can't do in your school time, do it in college. If you can't do in your college time, do it in your late 20s, or we can say after 30s also you can do, but you need to do it. Yes, it's real, it's reality. Many people are doing nowadays. They connect with me. I have connected with many people, more than 500, and they are older than me. Many people are older than me. So they are improving these days. So if you haven't taken the initiative, or you haven't taken the action, then you need to take action without thinking anything. Where to start, what to do, what not. Do not think about it. You have to start. Do you do every day? Are you doing consistently like me? Are you observing things? What's happening in your life? Yes. If you are watching this video and you are a student, then please watch my story, listen me. How am I doing? I'm doing in this way. I got clarity in my mind that I have to do this, that I want to improve my communication skills, I want to improve my English, I want to work on myself, I want to explore. That was my mindset. I didn't know how to start, where to do, but mindset was clear that I want to do. And I started doing it by action, not only just thinking or just, wanting by seeing people that, yeah, they are doing. I also want to do. No, you need to start. If you are my subscribers, from today onwards, you need to start practically, not just by thinking or not just theoretically writing, reading. If I talk about improvement of English, then maybe you are reading, writing, speaking less. I know. You tell me in the comment section that you speak less and you think more for improvement, for changing your life and mindset and personality and career. So I can tell you that inside this room, it's rented house where I'm staying, where I'm sitting and recording myself. It's rented house and I'm speaking with you and teaching you English. Just sitting and talking to you. Is it possible to do that? Yes, it is possible. Why? Because I am doing constantly, consistently, actively, every day, putting effort, energy, and time. So you need to decide that you are ready or not. You have only 5 to 6 months. Now it's July month. In 2026, July month, you are still thinking about your life and not starting, then I will tell you need to start from today onwards. I hope you understood. I have so many things to share. This is just the beginning. I shared that I stay in rented house and I started thinking about my life and career and personality, communication skills, English, started thinking. And then I got to know that I want to work. I got realization. I got clarity in my thought that I need to work for that. So, first, make sure that you need to sit inside the room alone and think about it. What do you want to do? Then you need to work for it at least 3 years or 1 2 years. You need to definitely complete, then only it's possible. So from today you need to speak if you want to improve your English. From today you need to work on your communication skills if you want to be a good communicator and you want to be socialized with people. You need to start your career from today. You have still 5 to 6 months in 2026. So, if you are learning something from this video, please like, comment, and share. I'm just sharing based on my experience without preparation, without scripting, without anything. Just I shared from the bottom of my heart. Okay, guys, wholeheartedly I shared. So, I hope it will help you. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Sweta, from Towards West Bengal. Yeah, bye.